Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to update, or rather how to change your MAC address on Windows 11. So the first thing I want you to do is, of course, open up any browser of your choice and make sure you just have Google Chrome installed properly, okay? Once you have Google Chrome installed properly, next thing I want you to do is open up Command Prompt. Search it over there, you have Command Prompt over here. So there are a few ways actually to search for a MAC address, and for me, basically this is the fastest one, okay? So with Command Prompt, just type in get MAC with that one, a little bit of space, one space actually, / letter V. And you'll have your physical address for your MAC address right here. So close it a little bit. This is just to confirm if we have the right MAC address right now. This is only for verification purposes, not actually a part of the process, okay? We just want to make sure that we have a MAC address properly installed, the default one. And with that, next thing is gonna be clicking the Windows button and going to Device Manager. So if you can't click on that one and go to Device Manager, basically just search up Device Manager on the search bar right there, click open, and you'll have the same result as me. So if I maximize that one for you to see properly, I'm gonna look for network adapters. Now I have a lot of network adapters right here, one for monitor, one for I think this is for speakers, and actually this is for my keyboard, and so on and so forth. The one I want to do and want to check right now is, of course, the one with the internet, this one right here. So basically I just want to click on properties over here and go to advanced. Once I'm on advanced, I just want to look for network address, click on value right there, make sure this is toggled in, okay? This radio button is toggled, and just input a next, or rather a new MAC address on this value bar right here. For example, make sure, by the way, a quick reminder, any MAC address should be a 12-digit number. So if you input, for example, 12345, a 5-digit number, it will now go through. It will not accept it, so you need to put a 12-digit number, for example, 0123 or 012345, another 012345, and 12. Actually, that is gonna be enough for now. And then with that one, simply click on OK. I'm gonna actually change it. So once you click on OK and then go back to the command prompt, now we're gonna verify if our MAC address has been changed. Okay, get MAC, I mistyped letter N there. So if it's changed right now, if it's new rather than the one earlier, you're good to go. You have successfully changed rather your MAC address on Windows 11. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one, okay? Goodbye for now.